Hey, what is up you guys, this is Branson, and in today's video I want to show you a quick method where you can earn $75 up to $145 in just 1 hour by just reading text online. I'll show you all the details and how you can actually automate everything, the entire process, and I've never seen anyone talking about this method. This is something unique, this is something that you can do even if you are completely new. And let me pull up the calculator and show you very quickly. Let's say you are just doing at the lower end, you're just making about $75 an hour, and you do the job for about 2 hours a day, okay? And you do it for 1 month, we times 30 days a month. So by just working 2 hours a day and 1 month for 30 days, you can earn up to $4,500. And imagine, how could that change your life with those money? How can you spend those money? Maybe pay your car payment, maybe save up for the next vacation, buy a new car, buy a new house. You can do a lot of stuff with this money. So if you want to learn the exact secret on how it works, I'll show you how to do that. But I want you to watch this video until the very end because I'll show you how to get paid predictably and consistently on a daily basis, because a lot of opportunities out there, they are not consistent. Maybe you can make money today or tomorrow, but they cannot guarantee that you can consistently making those money every single week, okay? And I'll show how you can take advantage of a free software that you can use to automate the entire process, and how you can actually go to the next level and actually take advantage of other people's skill set and experience, and you can start to make a full-time passive income from home, and how you can actually scale and automate the entire process to generate an upward of $500 per day in passive income even while you are on the vacation. And if this is your first time that came across my channel, my name is Branson and I put up new video every single day. Be sure to click on the subscribe button right now and also smashing on the notification bell on the side, so that way you'll get notified whenever I'm releasing my daily new videos. And if you would like to learn my #1 way to make money online, click on the first link down in the video description and I'll show you exactly how to do this, and you have an opportunity to work with me closely and I'll help you how you can generate a full-time passive income online. Okay, so let's go on to the website today. I'm really excited. I'll show you a few websites and actually all the process in just a few minutes. So let's hop into it. So now let us go on to the website today, which is Upwork.com. That's the first website, and the second website is actually Fiverr.com, and the third website is Freelancer.com. You might have heard of these websites. They are really legit. They have been here for decades already. They are something real. They are a real company that offer opportunity for you and me as a normal and regular people. We can come on here and become a freelancer and working from home. Well, there are a few strategies that I want to show you today. Not like a normal, like you come on here and find jobs and make like $5 to $10 a day. This is not we are going to be discussing in today's video. I'll show you the actual tactics that nobody talk about that you can leverage these 3 platforms. You can find a lot of different videos, blog posts and tutorials to show you how you can sign up for free, and it'll show you how you can actually set up a profile. But I don't want to waste your time in today's video because we are talking about strategy and tactics in today's video, how you can maximize your earning and how you can generate a full-time income by just reading on documents and words file and text, okay? So right now, let me show you very quickly. You go to Upwork.com and the top corner, you'll see a search bar right here. And I want you to hover your mouse onto this icon here and click on this down arrow. And I want you to click on jobs and then type in the keyword proofread and press on enter, okay? So right now you'll see different jobs that you can take on to start to proofread other people's documents. So when you land on here, you can see that there are plenty of job opportunities that you can take on. Over 1,900 jobs available from everywhere in the world. So right now I'll show you some example. For example, this one they pay you a fixed price $15. This one they pay you a fixed price $75. For this one $150. And all you have to do is just proofreading certain documents, certain articles that people have already written, okay? And the reason why you can make a lot of money, because those documents, they are written by professional author, that they make sure that they are almost no mistake, but they want to guarantee the final level to make sure that there are no spelling mistakes, there are no grammar mistakes, there are no misspelling, and they want a guy out there who can proofread different pages and different documents to make sure that everything is accurate, and you can hop on here and find different job opportunities and make a lot of money. $75 for just one project. Let me show you what you have to do. Let us click on this one and show you more details about the documents. Okay, for this one, they need someone to proofread and copy, edit an academic journal articles on eating behavior of millennials. It's a qualitative research. It's about 7,500 words with references. I need a professional editor to copy, edit, and proofread that, and they are willing to pay you $75 here. Okay, and this is just one example. A lot of job opportunities where you can find hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And right now I want to show you how you can actually proofread, right? Because you know that maybe you don't have any experience, you don't have any skill set for doing so. So right now I want you to introduce a free software that you can use right now, which is Grammarly. Okay, you can go to grammarly.com/proofreading, and you can download this free software. It's actually a Google Chrome extension where you can download on your browser. So every time when you copy and paste an articles, right there, even 1,000 words, even 10,000 words, and they'll proofread them for you for 100% free, and I'll show you and underline those mistakes. For example, this one have a grammar mistakes, this one has a spelling mistake, and I'll show you, and with one click of a button, you can just convert them to whatever spelling mistake, misspelling. There's a very automated way where you can proofread a lot of text, and you can do it very quickly from anywhere in the world. And the good thing is that it is 100% free, guys. It's 100% free. You can just download this software and you can get started and getting on different projects on Upwork, and you can use this free software to automate the entire process. Okay, this is a level that you can go to that you don't actually have to do any work yourself. And again, you can do some similar stuff on Fiverr.com as well. You can search on keyword like proofread. Okay, proofread, and press on enter. You can actually see different people are doing this stuff. Okay, for this one you can earn up to $100, $120. You know, 100 people are charging a lot of money to offer a service to help people to proofread certain books, certain articles, certain texts. And a lot of people, they don't actually know that this opportunity actually exists. And also those people, they thought that they have to become a professional, like a professional writer, like a college degree to just proofread certain documents, but they are absolutely wrong. Okay, anyone can absolutely do this, even if you have a basic English level. And right now, if you have this software right now where you can just copy and paste and do different correction, you can absolutely crush it and pick on a lot of gigs out there and earning a ton of money on Fiverr, on Upwork, or even on freelancer.com. You can do something similar. Okay, and can click on I want to hire I want to work. Okay, click on this I want to work, and you're gonna sign up for 100% free. But for this website, because they are something legit, there's something real, the sign up process is not that easy because they want you to set up a professional profile, and there are a lot of tactics and strategy to show you how to sign up for free. But this is not gonna be covering in today's video. You can watch on YouTube and type in how to sign up, how to create a profile on Upwork, how to sign up a profile on Fiverr. You can see different videos about that. But those videos, they will not show you these tactics. Okay, they will not show you this opportunity, and of course they also will not show you this free software that you can use. So right now I want to show you how you can go to the next level where you can automate the entire process. You don't even have to use the software yourself, you don't have to even proofread yourself. You can actually go on and find people from different platforms. Okay, for example, you're gonna leverage what we call an arbitrage, meaning that you're gonna buy something for $5 and you sell it for $10, or buy something for $15 and sell it for $200. So right now I want you to go on and see different platforms, for example on Upwork.com, on Fiverr.com, on freelancer.com, because for all of these websites, people are charging for different prices, but generally people are selling services much cheaper on Fiverr and freelancer.com, and people selling for higher prices for service on Upwork.com. So meaning that you have an opportunity to actually buy service from Fiverr, and you can select the price range, let's say from $5 up to $10, and you press on this enter button, and you can see many different services to help people to proofread certain articles for $5 and $10. And you can buy service from this guy, and you can come on here on Upwork. You can find projects for $75, $150, $200, and you accept those projects, and you get all the details from the people who want to hire you and they'll give you all the details about what you should do, what is the requirement, and you're gonna send all of these jobs and go on to hire people on Fiverr.com. Okay, people don't know that you are actually doing that, because from their perspective they thought that, hey, you give a job, okay, and you do the job and they'll send you the job, and in turn you get all the job from this guy from Fiverr that you pay for just $5 to $10, and you go on and turn around and you sell it on Upwork.com. And also, for some of you guys, you might be wondering, like, is this legal? Of course it is legal, because you buy something, you buy a service by other people, you own the right. Okay, this is your copyright, you own the job, you own your document, you own the project, and you can just turn around and hire people on Upwork.com. People are doing this all day long. Okay, this is not something like brand new or something new, but this is happening like for decades. People are doing this, but nobody's showing you about these methods, because maybe they just want to keep it for themselves, or maybe they just don't know about this opportunity does exist right now in 2019. Right, on internet you can do so many stuff by selling and reselling different things, and you can earn a profit for the margin of the different of the prices. Buy $50 and you sell for $200, and you'll earn $150 in pure profit without you actually doing the work yourself. This is how you can automate the entire stuff. But if you don't have any startup investment, you can of course just do the work by yourself and go on and use this free software. Grammarly.com is something real. I've been using this software since my college degree. I've been using this for my different projects, for my different assignment. It's something real, something good. But at that time, I don't know that you can actually make money using this software. Okay, I'm just using this for my assignments. So right now, this is a good opportunity for you to hop on there. You can just do it. First level, do it yourself. Second level, use the free software. And third level, you can actually buy services and resell them to other people using the price different from different software. You have to do your own research and find out something cheaper here. You have to do a few times. Maybe you have to find the best one, and maybe you can order like 2 to 3 person and eventually find the best one and keep on using the same persons, because you can work much more easier with the same guy. You can just keep on giving them job. They give you job on time, and you can sell it again on Upwork.com. That's how you can basically do it, and that's what I want to share with you in today's video. By just you reading documents, by just doing the proofreading, you can earn a full-time income online, and how you can actually automate every stuff. And of course, for these methods today, you will not get rich like overnight. You might not even make like 6 figures, but if you want to make some big money online and you want to work personally with me and get my personal mentorship, you can check out my #1 way to make money online. Click on the first link down below, and I'll share with you all the details how I'm able to make over $1,000 in just one single day, and how you can do it even if you are completely brand new. I'll show you exactly how to do that. All the details on the first link down in the video description. Click on that right now. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this in the future. If you do like this, be sure to hit the like button. Thank you so much. Share this with your friend or leave a comment down below to show your support to me. My name is Branson again, and I hope to see you in my tomorrow's video. Peace out.